Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, how are you doing today? I have my little Grove box and yeah, it's a little small compared to some of the ones that I usually get. I didn't need too much, and that's the great thing about Grove is you can control how much you get or how much you need, or I guess want in some cases, so it all depends. But today we are going to Grove. Do you Grove? Well, we already know I do. And I want to welcome each and every one of you. I'd like to welcome my friends, my subscribers. I really appreciate you and thank you for getting me to the 800 mark. And let's push on now for that 900. Oh yeah. Well, I guess we should go on to 1K, right? But anyways, I really appreciate you. And if you're new here, I would ask that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. You'll know my next video. You'll know my winning video or my giveaway video, which I have a bunch of those. So everybody, please look down in the description if you haven't entered for those giveaways, because I have quite a few and more will be coming. But right now, we are going to check into Grove. Now, when they send their box out, they always give us a message, and it says, "We're big fans, Vicky." Or I guess you could say, "Vicky, we're big fans." Whichever way you want to say it. They're real sweet. Now, I had to tell you, on my shipment, it got lost. They originally shipped my order on August 4th, and I kept looking for it because with Grove, it comes in 2 days, just about 3 at the most, and it had not showed up, so I reached out to them. And it turned out it got lost and was supposed to be sent back to them, but they said they never got it either, so it's just gone. So they reshipped and I got it in 2 days. So we're going to go through here and see what I needed for this month. And I did receive a free gift because I had ordered over the $35 that you needed to order amount to get it free. Also, I get free shipping because I'm a VIP. A VIP is $19.95 a year, and that guarantees you free shipping with all orders of $29 or more. If you don't want to, subscribe or, pay $19.99 for shipping for the whole year because you're not sure if you're going to buy every month, well, then you can just pay shipping for $4.95 any size order. So that's my understanding of how it goes, but there are perks being a VIP. You get free gifts once a quarter, and sometimes they throw in free samples, and I don't know, they just give you gifts. It just seems like I get a lot of gifts from Grove. So it's worth your effort, but they're also eco-friendly. So that's another thing. They're going green. They're trying to go plastic-free by 2025. And a lot of their products, most of them, are made with natural ingredients or bamboo or something like that helps our environment. So let's pop in here and see what I got, because I don't remember. I just remember I did get a freebie. Now I remember because I'm seeing some of the stuff in here. I'm just going to pull it out. This here is the Hello Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. This runs around $6.99, and I use this on a regular basis. I really like it. I can tell you that it does have kind of like a, it's black is what I want to say. So when you use this, you want to make sure you don't have a white shirt or something on around you that, when you're brushing your teeth, it could kind of spray around. Not because you're meaning for it to, but you're just brushing your teeth, and sometimes that happens. But otherwise, I love this toothpaste, and this is my go-to toothpaste. The next item I'm pulling out of here, and this was around $5. This is the 7th generation disinfecting multi-surface cleaner, and this kills 99.99% of all germs. It's safe. You can spray this down, and it's a botanical disinfectant. It's a rinse-free top cleanser, so you can spray it on your counter and let it dry for about 10 minutes, and it actually sanitizes your counter tops that you're cleaning or cabinets, whatever it is that you're doing. My next item I'm pulling out of here is my virgin coconut oil by Dr. Bronner's. It's whole kernel, and I use this all the time for all my cooking. I use it for hot cooking, like when I'm frying up something like chicken fried steak or popcorn, and I also use it like for salads if it calls for a little oil for salad, and all my cooking recipes. And you can use coconut oil at a higher temperature and it doesn't, hurt it or anything. So that's my go-to, and that's about $11.99, so about $12 for that jar. The next item I'm pulling out of here is the Mint Multi-Surface Cleanser. It's an everyday cleaner, and I like to use this like around my tables and some of my other either cabinets or something that I'm going to be wiping down, because it has that fresh mint scent. When I want to sanitize, I'm using this one. When I want to smell good, I'm using this one, because I actually like the way this smells better. And I would say this is probably, $4 or $5. My next item is my Method fabric softener. I went ahead and ordered another one of these because sometimes they get on back order. It's pretty popular, and I like the beach sage, and it is HE friendly, as you can see, and you get 45 loads out of this. It smells good, so it seems well worth my money, and I like the way it works and performs and smells. And then my free item in here is called Grove Hand Soap Sheets. And it's in lavender blossom, and it's 100% natural fragrance. And there's 40 in there, and I've never had anything like this. So I wanted to open it up and see. Oh yeah, they're just like little soap sheets. So I guess you would get that wet and then just wash your hands and it'll turn into soap. And they smell good. So these would be great for like travel and things like that. If you're going to be camping or something, this might be a great thing to take with you. Or if you're going to be hiking or something like that. So, I don't know. It's an interesting little product. I have no idea how much it runs, but I would think $4 or $5. It's just hard to say. But that is my Grove, guys. Like I said, it's not a big order. It was a small order this month because I didn't need very much, and I'm not sure what my next order will be. But as for today, that's all I have for Grove. Now, be sure and check my descriptions, like I said, for any of these giveaways that are going on. I do try to post them all in there, and I still have my surprise giveaways from July open. So they're going to close real soon, so be sure and check those out if you have an interest. And I guess that's it. And as usual, you all have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.